like this video, like this video. Comment love you, like this video, you like this video. Comment love.
Hey y'all, hey, so today we're making air fried catfish. I made some like 2 weeks ago. It was so good. That was my first time eating catfish in like 2 years. Like I could not eat it like since before I was pregnant. Like I could not eat fish. Even after I had my baby, I just could not eat it. Like I don't know. But anyways, I made some a few weeks ago. It was so good, so I'm gonna make some more today. I actually gave my daughter some for the first time. She liked it. I was really scared because I thought she was gonna like be allergic to it and break out and stuff, but she didn't, so that's good. She won't be allergic to seafood, far as I know. So let's get to cooking, y'all. Let me show y'all how I make my catfish in the air fryer. The fish fry seasoning I'm using. I normally get the Andes, but this is the only one I had at the store, so had to settle for this one. But it's really good on the fish anyway, so yeah. I've started putting aluminum foil in the air fryer when I cook. I feel like it's easier to clean the air fryer out, so I've started using aluminum foil. So just line it up with some aluminum foil. These pieces are way smaller than the other ones I had a couple of weeks ago. But it's cool. It's cool. I think I paid $8 for this little pack. Yeah, I freaking love this air fryer. Like, I love it. I love appliances. Like, anything I can cook with, or cook on, or cook in, I love it. Okay, that's how we gonna put it in there. Now, let me put another one in. Okay, let me get my cooking spray. So I'm gonna just spray some of this vegetable oil on it. Okay. That's how it look. So y'all bought potato salad and macaroni salad to go with it. I think I'm gonna eat both of them with it. I'm gonna see which one my daughter like. She might like the potato salad, I don't know, but we're gonna see which one she like. These are really good. I haven't tasted this one yet, but this one is really good, so I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be good. But if not, if she don't like these, I bought one of those little frozen spaghetti dinners for her to eat with it, because she do like spaghetti, so she can just eat the spaghetti with it. I didn't get no garlic bread and none of that. I just wasn't putting that. So yeah, I put it on 20 minutes, so we're gonna see how I do with 20 minutes. So, yeah, this is how it look after 20 minutes. I'm gonna put it in for like 10 more minutes because I like mine a little bit more like darker, cooked well, crunchy, hard. But yeah, I'm putting it in 10 more minutes. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks. This is how I like mine. Okay, y'all, the next batch is going in. If y'all don't got no air fryer, I suggest y'all get one. They are the bomb. They the bomb. Very easy to cook everything, like everything. You can cook everything in these air fryers. I think this one was like $59 or $49 or something like that. It was affordable. I rarely use my stove to cook stuff. Unless it's something that really can't go in the air fryer, then of course I'll use the stove. But other than that, I really don't care too much to use the stove anymore. Excuse me. I really don't care too much to use the stove. Okay, gonna spray the spray on there. I don't really need that much, but this is what I do, so yeah. We're gonna cook these. We're gonna cook these for 30 minutes now. Since yeah, we gonna follow y'all. Know what you was saying? Don't say hi. Say hi. You gonna say hi? I'm not gonna say hi to the peoples.
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not? You gonna eat food?
No.
You want some fish?
No.
Why you want no fish?
Because I don't want no fish.
Because you don't want no fish.
Because I'll be throwing it up.
You be throwing up. When?
At your house.
You threw up?
Yeah.
Girl. Silly Willy. That's why I was silly. Yeah. Okay, I'm finished cooking. Well, I got a few more pieces.
Chocolate, Mommy.
You want some chocolate?
Yeah.
So this is good.
I want chocolate.
Hot sauce.
You get some chocolate.
Do you want some?
No, I want some chocolate.
Where you gonna get chocolate from?
Mommy, I want this.
Okay, y'all.
Can you open it, Mommy?
Yes, I can. It's good. That's good. But I was talking about she don't want none. Talking about she don't like it.
I got my phone,
So picky.
Mommy.
Okay. She's so picky.
I got my phone.
You got it?
I got it.
You know what?
No, I want chocolate.
We don't have no chocolate.
We.
She claims she don't like it, y'all. She is picky.
I just want chocolate, guys. They don't have no chocolate.
It was good. She didn't change the light on like. I hope y'all enjoyed this little cook with me video. Y'all remember these back in the day? I used to stay drinking these. Now forever done got me back on. So good. I used to always get the fruit punch one. This one good too. Enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you'll be notified when I post.
Subscribe to your channel.
Y'all heard her. Click that bell and subscribe to my channel. Y'all heard what she said. Say it again, Papa.
Bell and subscribe to your channel.
See what she said, y'all. Subscribe to our channel because it's actually our channel. So yes, we'll see you guys in our next one. Peace.
Peace.
She want to say peace. Come here so you can say it.
See you next video. Subscribe to your channel. Bye bye.